los 5 colores de maíces que trabajo aquí. Un orgullo para el pueblo oaxaqueño.
Can you just say something at your normal volume?
Yeah, I'm Jorge. Masienda creates a fair market for Mexican smallholder farmers by purchasing heirloom corn and companion products and sources that material, exports it to the U.S. for international chefs. Masienda really started in pursuit of flavor. I had a tortilla once and realized I knew nothing about how tortilla was made. If a French baguette tastes better in France, a tortilla had to taste better from the place that it originated, and that was Mexico. I was just trying to understand what made a tortilla great, and it turns out it's the corn.
Pues aquí estamos en la parcela donde siempre he sembrado un maíz criollo. El maíz no es una cultura, ¿no? Sino es lo básico de la familia. ¿Sí? Yo nunca puedo dejar de sembrar el campo. Pues.
Mexico invented corn. These are plants that only grow in this part of the world.
Los granos criollos se distingue por su sabor. El sabor lo puede usted encontrar en las tortillas.
The best tortillas and original tortillas are made from this incredible Mesoamerican process called nixtamal or nixtamalization, which basically is a mineralization of the seed. It imparts this enormous amount of nutrition, and it's actually like one of the original superfoods. And it also makes a great tortilla. It impacts the flavor. Most tortillas in the United States don't go through the traditional process of nixtamal. We've lost what is really nutritious and most flavorful about the traditional tortilla.
The minute I tasted that corn, I knew it was something very special. It ruined every other tortilla for me. Now the tortilla is the dish. Without corn, this restaurant would just be, I don't know, another restaurant in Manhattan.
Say, keep your friends close and your vendors even closer.
They say that.
I actually just coined that.
That's good. With a taco, the tortilla is everything. If you nail that, typically things come together.
The first time that we actually baked some, all these cooks that had been raised in Mexico just came straight to the griddle. And they said, oh, I haven't smelled that since I was back in Mexico. I haven't smelled that since I was a kid. You could see each one of them being transported to another place in time.
Where Masienda can really be a game changer is that it's the right time, it's the right sourcing, and it's the right delivery. It's not every day that you hit all of the marks with a product, and Masienda definitely does that.
The best tasting corn is really built on 3 things, which is biodiversity, sustainability, and the smallholder farmers that are custodians of that tradition.
Con Masienda se abre una puerta en donde todos los productores puedan comercializar este producto y que toda la inversión de Masienda se está quedando con gente de nuestra región.
We want to be able to share this experience with more farmers, and we want to be able to share the experience with more consumers.
People, when they eat it, they're just like, is this really what a tortilla is supposed to taste like? It's not only about the corn, but it's about the backstory about the corn, and that's what makes it special.
It's a blank canvas for creativity. It's the special ingredient that I think chefs didn't know they needed, but are so happy that they now have.
Para llegar a ser feliz, lo que nos toca hacer es alimentarnos bien con los mejores granos, voltear nada más a nuestro alrededor y saber aprovechar lo que tenemos.